Hey everybody, so today for math, we're going to complete these 2 pages. If you have them in your packet, you can turn to them and we're going to go over a couple questions together. If you don't have them in your packet, that's okay though. You can do them on a separate sheet of paper, okay? So on these pages, we're going to be practicing with numbers 1 to 120. If you look over here, let me get my laser pointer out so I can... Do you see my laser pointer? Okay, so follow that with me. Okay, if you look over here, here's our 1 to 120 chart. Okay, so we're going to use that to help us a little bit. So the first question says, write the missing numbers, read the numbers. Okay, so we can do that. So let's do the first one together. All right, so 85 is the first question it gives me. Let me find if I can get my pen out. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, so now I can write with you. Okay, so we start at 85. So let's find 85 on our hundreds chart. Okay, I'm going to circle it in red, okay? So there's 85. That's where we're starting. All right, 85. The next number's missing. So let's see what comes after 85. So we have 85. What's next? 86. 86 comes after 85, so we're going to write that in the blank. Okay, and then it gives us 87 and 88, and then we're missing a number, so let's think about what comes after 88. 88, 89, and if you didn't know, you can look at your chart, find 88, and what's after is 89. Okay, so that's how we're going to do the next 2 problems. The next 3 problems. So 2, 3, and 4, you're going to do the same way, okay? I want you to try these on your own, though. If you need help, you can ask someone near you. The next, let's go to number 5. So let's go over here. You see my laser pointer? Let's go over here to number 5. So these directions say write the number. So for all of these, we're going to write the numbers. So they give us the number word, and we have to figure out what the number looks like. So this one says 27. So I'm going to think 27. What does 27 look like? Oh, I know. That's a 2 and a 7. Okay? So I want you to look at the rest of these and figure out what numbers they are. Okay? Number 11 down here is going to be kind of tricky. This one down here. Right here. I'm going to square it off so you know which one I'm talking about. This one's going to be kind of tricky. It says, Matt is thinking of a number. It comes before 39 and after 37. What is the number? So we need to think. So it comes before 39. So I'm going to write the number 39. So it comes before, that means it comes in front of, it comes before 39, and then it comes after 37. Okay, so it comes after 37 and before 39. So we're going to think about what number goes there, okay? Think hard. And the very last question says, Freddie counted to 103. What number comes next? So what number comes next after 103? You're going to color in the circle that goes along with the answer. If you have any more questions about this, ask someone around you or you can ask your teacher. Okay, thank you. Bye.